Looking for the best body camera, wearable, but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best body camera, wearable, based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The i3 4K Thumb Action Camera is incredibly compact and lightweight, weighing just 1.25 ounces. Its magnetic design and 360 degrees rotating spring clip make it easy to mount anywhere, from your clothes to your bike or motorcycle. It's perfect for cyclists, motorcyclists, and anyone who enjoys outdoor activities and wants to capture high-quality footage without the hassle of a large camera. Number 4. This 4K Mini Body Action Camera features an ultra-wide 4K resolution, delivering crisp and sharp videos with exceptional light transmission. It's also waterproof up to 33 feet, making it perfect for capturing the underwater world or recording in harsh weather conditions. This camera is ideal for adventurers and professionals who require a high-quality, portable, and waterproof recording solution. Number 3. The Mini Body Camera with audio and video recording offers excellent night vision capabilities, recording clear 1080p HD video even in total darkness. It's a great choice for security personnel, inspectors, and travelers who need to document evidence or record footage in low-light conditions. I'd say this camera is perfect for professionals who require reliable and high-quality recording. Number 2. This 4K Mini Body Camera is incredibly compact, weighing just 1.25 ounces and blending seamlessly into your outfit. Its user-friendly design and one-click recording feature make it perfect for lectures, vlogs, biking, hiking, or any other activity where you want to capture high-quality footage. It's ideal for anyone seeking a hassle-free recording experience. Number 1. The Meoilkolnm Mini Body Camera features a simple design with a button in the middle, making it easy to record with just one press. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike, especially those who enjoy outdoor activities like pet walking, work, or travel. I'd say this camera is great for anyone looking for a hassle-free recording experience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.